The SD card has been removed warning is a persistent issue affecting millions of Chevrolet vehicle owners. This error message appears on the infotainment screen even when an SD card is properly inserted or not present at all. This problem primarily affects vehicles equipped with MyLink systems from 2013 to 2018 and the newer Chevrolet Infotainment 3 systems found in 2019 to 2024 models. SD cards in Chevrolet vehicles serve multiple important functions. They store navigation map data, media files for entertainment, software updates for the system, and backup user preference settings. The root causes fall into three main categories. Hardware issues include faulty SD card slots, damaged reader pins, and loose internal connections. Software problems involve corrupted firmware, incomplete system updates, and cache memory conflicts. SD card issues include incompatible file formats, corrupted data, and physical damage to the cards themselves. The scale of this issue is significant. An estimated 2.3 million Chevrolet vehicles are affected by this warning. According to automotive electronics specialist John Martinez, 15 to 20% of Chevrolet vehicles with MyLink systems experience this problem, with 70% of cases being software-related and 30% involving hardware failures. Understanding this common issue is the first step toward finding an effective solution. The good news is that most cases can be resolved through systematic troubleshooting approaches. When facing the SD card warning in your Chevrolet, start with these immediate fixes that resolve the issue in many cases. If the immediate fixes don't work, the issue might be with your SD card format. Chevrolet systems require FAT32 formatting and cards of 32 gigabytes or smaller. For persistent issues, advanced solutions include updating your infotainment system firmware and inspecting the hardware for physical damage or debris. General Motors provides extended warranty coverage for infotainment systems in 2013 to 2018 models, covering both software updates and hardware replacement for up to 8 years or 80,000 miles. To prevent future issues, follow these best practices. Perform regular system updates, always use the eject function before removing SD cards, and choose quality automotive-grade cards. Since implementing the 2023 software update, Chevrolet has seen a 40% reduction in SD card complaints.